What's up guys, Jake the Paragon here, Hudson County's best real estate advisor, and today I'm going to take you on a journey on the LightRail. Let's do it. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is you want to get your ticket for the LightRail. It may look like the LightRail is free, but it isn't. If you get on without a ticket, they have officers that randomly get on and off the trains and they check for your tickets, and if you don't have a ticket, you can get a hefty fine. Alright, now that we have our tickets printed and in hand, this is a very important step because you have to stamp the LightRail ticket, and it gives it kind of a timestamp, so when officers check your ticket, they make sure your timestamp hasn't expired and you're all good to go. Alright, and that's it. We just got off the LightRail. It was quick, fast, safe, fun, and we are now downtown Jersey City where so much is going on. I'm going to show you all of that stuff, but for now, let's just take a look at this view. Whoa! Alright guys, well that does it for me. I'm Jake the Paragon, the #1 real estate advisor out here in Hudson County, and until next time, I will check you later. Peace.